All right, friends, welcome to Erie Shores Prepping. I'm your host, Greg. I want to overcome some objections that you may say or be facing. One of them is, Greg, I live in an apartment. I can't build raised bed gardens. I have no room. I have no space for it. All I have is a balcony. Here's a perfect alternative: grow bags. Greg, I live in a mobile home. I have no room. They only allow so much. Grow bags. Greg, I have a beautiful lawn. My significant other won't let me put in raised bed gardens. 7-gallon or bigger grow bags. Get out of there. Hey, Pops. Greg, I have dogs. Grow bags. Greg, I live in an HOA. They don't allow us to have gardens. They will allow you to have movable grow bags, and let's get a closer look at it. First off, this is what it is right here. Fabric bags. There's the dimensions. Yes, it's made in China, and if I found some that were made in America, I'd be buying those. Here's what it says right here on the advertisement. This is what it looks like. Here is the bag for the item number, if you are interested in that. Come on, focus. That is from Amazon. The dirt I bought at the garden center. I want to show you what it looks like filled up, how much room it has. Okay, I had leftover vegetables because now the greenhouses are having liquidation sales on all their plants, because now you're heading into the red zone of growing time and availability. So plants are 50% off, generally speaking. Now is an excellent time to pick up the vegetables. These bags, 12 of them. That's 94 gallons of growable production you could put on your balcony in your apartment, around the outside of your house, outside your mobile home. Fill them up with dirt, topsoil. That's what it looks like filled up. They have handles. You can easily move them. I did not plant this blackberry plant, but I'm going to. I just wanted to show you that it holds a lot of space. That's what it looks like out of the bag. So you can transplant blackberries or start growing your own blackberries. You say, I'd love some blackberries, raspberries, strawberries, but I don't have any room to do it. Perfect. Grow bags. I live in an apartment. I want to grow vegetables, but I don't have space, but I have a balcony. You could get grow bags, smaller or bigger. These come 12-packed, under $24, delivered by Amazon. 2-day delivery. The dirt was on sale, $6. Fills up 2 of the bags. And you could put in your climbing vegetables. If you have a balcony, you have railing. You could plant squashes, cucumbers, vining tomatoes, whatever it is, you can overcome by getting some grow bags. And yes, you can wash these out when you're done and bring them in the house or leave them outside. So it's a very easy way to overcome objections and start growing your own vegetables in limited space, or in the outdoors like I'm doing here, adding 94 gallons of growing space. So if you can't do this, build raised bed gardens. Nubbies, you just taking it easy in the sunshine? Okay. If you can't do this, or you don't want to do this in your backyard and grow food, or you don't have a fence, you can grow back. You can get the cloth bags and grow your own food and support your family. I just built this last week, and out of recycled wood, and we already have radishes coming up, one of the fastest growing vegetables. Feed yourself within 30 days. Tomatoes, we have lettuce, and minus the paw prints from our dogs, but you can see things are progressing nicely. These are potatoes, sweet corn, and all the rest of the stuff is starting to shape up to where I'll be able to feed ourselves nicely. Just got some grapes, red and green grapes, cattle panels for the vining, and hopefully with prayer and thought, I'll be able to have a nice harvest of food. But I wanted to introduce you to grow bags, 5 gallon, these are 7 gallon, they come in 10 gallon. You can transport and move them, fill it up, dump them out, whatever, but you can put in tomatoes, lettuce, cucumbers, whatever else you want to do, and have yourself a growing garden out on your balcony, around your mobile home, or even around your house where you're not allowed to have gardens. Introducing you to grow bags delivered by Amazon. Looks like this. And I want to thank you very much for liking and subscribing to my channel, Erie Shores Prepping. I know you're busy. I appreciate your time. Here's what else I've been doing. Don't forget to plant some flowers to get some pollinators in there. All right. Thank you very much. Greg out.